Hi, my name is Kevin Arias, and I'm here to talk about the benefits of introducing a tractor to our family owned farm down in Honduras. The agenda for this presentation is as follows. First, I'll be talking about the problems I've been seeing at our farm. Then I'll be talking about the solutions that I think is best suited for our farm. And I think it is buying a tractor. The project budget, how much it's going to cost us. And as a conclusion, I'll be talking about the benefits of buying a tractor and how it helped us more than it hurt us. And then after that, I'll be taking any questions and comments. As a problem, I have been seeing that at our farm in Honduras, every task is being done by hand. The job is being done by some of our family members and close friends of ours. And our workers work from sunrise to sunset. And that leaves little time to do work around their house, such as gardening and general home repair improvements, some repairs. As a farm and business grow, we are needing extra help around, and that causes more hours for our workers. Sometimes it causes that we have to hire more workers, and that all affects our budget. And sometimes it comes close that our budget gets tight. When our workers get sick or aren't capable of getting their work done on time, that affects us all, because we need more people, we need more money, and we're running out of time, or time is up. We will hire more people because we need more people for making our business run better and faster. Our ultimate goal is to get our job done well and safely, while keeping peace and happiness in our work environment and keeping our workers happy and content. Happy workers are always good workers. A solution that I think is proper for these type of problems would be to purchase a tractor. Our workers have too much work and not enough time. A tractor is an engineered vehicle specialized to perform activities that require a lot of effort and energy at a slow speed. And these tractors are usually found in agricultural farms and some farm, and they're usually used, for example, at some farms they're used for mowing, putting out feed, cleaning and maintenance the barn. Some farms use their tractors as a transportation for their goods or transportation for their workers. Tractors are mostly used for planting, seeding, tilling, and fertilizing. They're used for much more things, many more. Tractors can pull heavy loads and are built to last for several years. If the owner maintains the tractor in really good conditions, and they're exposed to hard weather, hard conditions, they usually last longer than expected sometimes. And if you maintain them yearly or monthly, it all depends how long you use it or how many hours you put into it. Tractors do last longer. But owning a tractor will reduce the man hours for field work, which will reduce labor, and it can be operated by anyone that has been properly trained to use a tractor and knows how to drive. Because having a tractor makes the work go faster. It will provide time for the workers to have family time for them, and they will have more free time. They'll be healthy and happy that they can spend it with their family and not at work. The tractor will reduce the length of the working day down to a reasonable number. So when I say that, I mean by instead of having working from sunrise to sunset, it will be 8-hour days, or maybe less if needed to. But by that and having a tractor, it would reduce labor, because we'll be able to use it for many more things. It will be faster. We can use it. We can be multitasking instead of just having this group of people doing this one job for a whole month. It could be like 2 people doing this, one running the tractor, helping them make it faster. And at the same time, it would be the total of performance in the farm. It will be increasing. The budget for buying a tractor, the tractor I'm thinking of buying, will be a John Deere 6120E, which costs $180,000. I estimate for maintenance for a year would be $2,000. In Honduras, the currency is called lempiras. $1 is 22 lempiras. The diesel cost is $3.33 per gallon, and this tractor holds 44 gallons, and for one full tank it takes $146.52. According to the amount of hours used daily and how it's being used, like it all depends how long you use it, how many hours you put into it. If you use it a lot, it will you will refill it more than 3 times a month. I estimated we will refuel it 3 times per month. That's how I get 146 and 52 cents. The yearly cost, I estimated it will cost $5,274. I got that by timing it by 12 months in 1 year. that's about 137,124 lempiras in Honduras. If you add it all together, it will come to it will come to a total of 187,274 and 72 cents as a total. That's how much we're going to spend. As a conclusion, the possible benefits of our family farm will be to reduce the hard work labor, and it will make tasks easier and more efficient at the right pace for the workers and the right price for us. And it will allow the workers to spend more time with their family. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this project brings a positive outcome to our family and friends and to our farm. Any questions or comment or suggestions are more than welcome, and can be sent to our family farm email at Kevin at Arias Nunez Family Farm at gmail.com. Thank you.